Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Ghost Freak from Ben 10. If you must know, Ghost Freak is one of the original Ben 10 aliens from the original Ben 10 series. And another thing that you must know, you see, Ghost Freak was one of Ben's original characters. He could walk through walls. And he once transformed into Ghost Freak to play an awesome video game, but he got kicked out in the end. Pretty hilarious, huh? Anyways, the point being, Ghost Freak wasn't really seen in much of the episodes because he escaped from Ben's omnitrix. Because you see, his species consciousness even exists in a few strands of his own DNA cells. When his cells were placed inside the omnitrix, he was trapped inside, and he gains a new form. Plus, we haven't seen Ghost Freak again since, but eventually Ghost Freak returns to the omnitrix after that two-part special event where they got to see Ghost Freak in his evolved form, and they sent him into the sun. They landed in ancient Egypt. They thought they saw the last of Ghost Freak, but he returned back to the Omnitrix. Ben was all like, Ghost Freak? Oh man. But truth be told, I actually prefer this version of Ghost Freak rather than the scary version. He made a return in Ben 10 Alien Force, but the way he transformed into Ghost Freak, he was being controlled by him. But we haven't seen him in that form since. But he did return in Ben 10 Ultimate Alien, and well, we did see him again, but it was in his original form. But boy, did I miss him. Okay. We're almost done, folks. Anyways, you thought there were 10 aliens inside the Omnitrix? Well, there are actually more than 10. There's actually 11, like cannonballs. Anyways, here we go. We got... And there we go. There's his... If you draw it right here, you can see his Omnitrix symbol. And here's his... Last thing is his thumb. Here's his thumb. So Keenan. And finally, here's his tail. And there. That is how you draw a Ghost Freak from Ben 10. That's how you draw a Ghost Freak from Ben 10. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what kind of character I'll draw you guys next. Till then, I'll see you later. I hope you guys have a nice day. You know, for some reason, I'm in the mood for sticky buns.